wish I would have known maybe a little bit more about the transportation. I'm not from a city, so I've never really done public transportation before. However, maybe just like a little bit more of how it works with the Oyster card and tapping in, and how to really just do all those little things that you learn when you get here, but just knowing beforehand might help a little bit better.
I would like practice some more cooking skills because it will save you so much money to actually cook and buy your own groceries rather than going out to eat every day, or at least even once a week. Like, that will save you up so much money. So I wish that I took some more notes from my mom, because she chefs it up so good and I don't even do half as good. I do good, but not as good as those home cooked meals.
I wish I knew a little bit more about the immigrant communities and the other diverse groups of people here in London. Everyone has their conceptualized version of London, and when you're taking time to actually go out and meet different people all over parts of the city and in different neighborhoods, I think that's something that everyone can learn from and really appreciate who lives in London and who are the people that make up the city.
I wish I had known that I would buy a lot of clothes while I was here and I didn't have to bring as much from home as I did.
I wish I knew to pack light, really pack light.
I wish I knew how time would go by really fast. I mean, the first week is a bit intensive, but that's only because you're really jet lagged, you're exhausted, a lot of information's being thrown at you. But then after that, it's like you blink and you're done.